King's Indian defense, Bayonet, Sokolov line, 10, f5 11.ng5 and f6. Intense. That was a serious game. Black got the better of white in that game. The opening was balanced. Black found some nice moves in the middle game. Both players had a nice endgame. Opening with the queen's pawn controls the center and usually leads to a more positional development of the pieces. The Indian game begins by controlling the important e4 square with the knight, rather than a pawn. c4 builds a strong center by controlling the important d5 square and creates a square for the knight to come to c3 without blocking the c pawn. The King's Indian defense prepares to develop the bishop to g7, allowing white to build up a strong center which black will later try to undermine. And c3 prepares the e2-e4 pawn push and helps control the d5 square. bg7 puts the bishop on the long diagonal in a move called a fianchetto. e4 takes full control of the center. d6 controls the e5 square and allows the light-squared bishop to develop. f3 supports the d4 pawn and puts pressure on the e5 square. Castling gets the king out of the center and activates the rook. b2 develops the light-squared bishop and prepares to castle kingside. e5 takes space in the center and immediately attacks the d4 pawn. Castling gets the king out of the center and activates the rook. And c6 develops the knight, defends the e5 pawn and attacks the d4 pawn. d5 takes space in the center, attacks the knight on c6 and controls the e6 square. e7 retreats the knight to a square where it will help with the f7-f5 pawn push, after black moves the f6 knight. b4 takes space on the queen side and controls the c5 square. h5 places the knight on the edge of the board where it controls the f4 square and allows the f-pawn to move forward. 1 rupee activates the rook and opens up the f1 square. f5 attacks the pawn on e4 and gains space on the king side. g5 protects the e4 pawn and controls the e6 square. f6 avoids the piece exchange by retreating to a safe square, from where it also puts pressure on white's e4 pawn. Master games. It is the last book move. This threatens to kick a knight. It is a mistake. This overlooks an opportunity to develop a bishop off its starting square. This allows the opponent to kick a knight. It is a miss. The opposing knight is kicked by a pawn, and must now move or be captured. It is best. This takes an outpost, an active square where the knight cannot be kicked out by a pawn. It is best. This is an equal trade. This is the only move that works. It is a great move. Recaptures. It is best. This is the only good move. It is a great move. This develops a queen off its starting square, getting it into the action. It is best. This is the only move that works. It is a great move. This defends the attacked pawn. This threatens to win a knight. It is best. This is the only good move. It is a great move. After all captures, this is an equal trade. It is best. Takes back. It is best. The rooks can see each other now, allowing them to provide mutual defense. It is excellent. This threatens to kick a knight. There was only one good move in that position. It is a mistake. This loses material. It is a blunder. There was a better way to capture this same piece, which would have led to a better material difference. This allows the opponent to win a tempo by threatening a knight. It is a miss. This misses a better way to win a tempo by threatening a knight. It is an inaccuracy. Only one move worked there, and this wasn't it? This misses an opportunity to add a defender to a vulnerable knight. It is a mistake. This moves the bishop to a more active square, making it gain scope. This is the only move that works. It is a great move. This moves the knight to safety. This is the only good move. It is a great move. That was a free pawn. It is best. This kicks an opposing bishop. This is the only move that works. It is a great move. This moves the bishop to safety. It is best. That's what I would have recommended. It is best. Right on target. It is best. This activates a rook by developing it off of its starting square. It is excellent. The game is still close to equal, but white lost their advantage. It is a mistake. This is the strongest option. It is best. This develops the bishop and gives it scope on the long diagonal. It is best. This threatens to reveal an attack on a pawn. It is best. This misses an opportunity to reveal an attack on a queen. It is a mistake. This prevents the opponent from being able to create a passed pawn. It is good. This overlooks an opportunity to reveal an attack on a queen. It is a mistake. This is an equal trade. This is the only good move. It is a great move. Takes back. It is best. This activates a rook by getting it to the 7th rank and also restricts the opponent's king. This is the only move that works. This threatens to win material. It is a great move. This loses material. It is an inaccuracy. This wins material. This is the only good move. This threatens to fork pieces. It is a great move. This loses material. It is an inaccuracy. That was a truly amazing move. It is brilliant. Very precise. It is best. This wins material. It is best. This captures a bishop that checked the king. It is best. Recaptures. It is best. This ignores an opportunity to recapture a piece. It is an inaccuracy. This wins material. It is good. That's what I would have recommended. It is best. That was a great move and very hard to find. It is brilliant. Recaptures. It is best. This skewers the opponent's pieces. This is the only move that works. It is a great move. This evades the check from the queen. It is best. That pawn was free for the taking. It is best. This steps away from the checking queen. It is forced. This forks pieces by creating a simultaneous attack. This is the only good move. It is a great move. This reveals an attack on a queen. It is best. That was a free pawn. This is the start of the endgame and black is winning. It is best. This evades the check from the rook. It is excellent. That pawn was free for the taking. It is good. This defends the attacked rook. It is best. This is the only move that works. It is a great move. This steps away from the checking queen. It is excellent. Right on target. It is best. This removes a knight that put the king in check. It is best. That was a free bishop. It is best. This defends a queen that was under attack and had no defenders. It is best. Intense. That was a serious game. Black got the better of white in that game. The opening was balanced. Black found some nice moves in the middle game. Both players had a nice end game. This threatens to win a queen. It is excellent. Intense. That was a serious game. Black got the better of white in that game. The opening was balanced. Black found some nice moves in the middle game. Both players had a nice end game.